Welcome guys, today I will be showing you a little project that I did in my I don't know which class, but I posted it on my previous channel and I would like to post it here also, and this time in better quality. So I have my Philips home theater, which is a 5.1 home theater, hooked up to my 42-inch LED TV, and in turn I have a lot of LEDs running on the home theater. So you can see LEDs here all connected by me, and then they go back and they are basically connected to where the output of the speakers go. So what happens, what these LED really do, so let's just turn off the lights and play a song. So here you go. So yes, this is what these LEDs do. Now they only work at high volumes because I don't have any sort of transistor or anything connected to them, but still pretty cool for a party or anything. So yes, that's it guys. Thanks for watching it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more unboxings and videos like these. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.